Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9455A. Only 27,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Cherokee brand new, just took it back in on trade. Deep cherry red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior, not only low miles but very clean. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. With additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, heated front seats, large, easy to read gauges, again only 27,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into sport mode, touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and compass display. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission, and lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 40% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.